it. Don't mind I'm about to throw on these sweats. And so with that being said, this is this is as good as it gets. I went to church today with a good feeling. It's gonna be a good Sunday. I talked to one of my kids yesterday about a situation, and I guess we didn't agree, but I basically told my child what is going to happen moving forward. Let's just say the message was not received today. It kind of repeated itself in a different form, and I lost it after church. My niece was standing there with my child. I went in. I don't know what it is. I believe that every child, whether you have 1, 2, 7, 18, all of these kids have their own personalities. They have their own challenges. They have their own way of learning. So with this specific child, I thought, anyways, I guess my child did not understand the directions that were given literally just yesterday night. And then today I lost it. And so today that child is going to be grounded. You would think, please make it make sense. Anyways, I'm going to take a little break from vlogging. I'm going to woo-saw. I'm going to bring it back in before the primary fireside that is tonight at 6, but they want the kids to be there like 5:30. I text my husband just so he knows where we are when he gets home. You know, we are caught up, we're on the same page, because parenting is hard. Parenting is so hard, especially when your kids want to try your gangster. You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck?
2 hours later.
Okay. There. Fall. Let's fall.
You don't get the concept, boy.
No, it's the countdown. Perfect. Millie did a good job. She put up the stockings and that's a little. Okay, E for effort. And then we have our 12 days of Christmas. We didn't do not one yet. So, guys, I've been doing 12 days of Christmas, 12 days of Vlogmas wrong. Like counting backwards 12 days from the 25th. I just automatically assumed that it was December 12th counting to Christmas, but no, it's like 12 days before Christmas. So technically it would start on December 14th.
So yesterday. We're getting that.
This is 12. Looks like sour. What does it say? Extreme sour taffy. 3 colors. There's yellow, turquoise,
And blue. Oh.
and blue. Cheers.
Wait, just touch each other's.
Cheers.
Bite.
Okay. It is sour.
It tastes good if you're into sour Laffy Taffy. 5, I give this a solid 3.5. 11.
11.
This is the caramel
Can I
green
take a bite
apple
first?
candy
Can I take a bite
apple.
first?
The green apple caramel lollipop. Small bite, so me and Drake can try it. Okay. So bite it.
One bite. 3 out of 5.
It tastes just like caramel candy apple.
just finished the primary steak Christmas fireside. How do you think you did? I think you guys did good. It was a very.
I was singing, but
it was a very.
our song was.
It was a very quick song. I wasn't expecting it to like end so fast.
No, we
but
ended our song
I'm
wrong.
glad you guys participated. So I just made these bars. Let me show you these, and that's what they look like. It's pretty good. I have to figure out the crust. The crust I'm not really liking.
Hello.
What's up? Wait, no.
Today-
Wait, redo? Can I, like, when I...
Okay, redo.
I want to pop up later.
Okay, pop up. Ready? 3, 2,
Too early.
1.
Hello, guys.
What's up?
Today we are gonna be doing a box review of our cleats that just came in.
Yep. Drake, what size did you?
No, that's Mo's. Don't open that one. Okay. First we'll do my cleats.
Yep. Oh, you for him? And now,
We got these cleats.
I'm gonna surprise you guys.
The only downfall about these is that they're white.
Oh, look, it's like I thought this was mesh, but it's like that material you could just wipe off.
And thank you, Dad.
Boop, boop. Look, so they're all, I'll show them up to you. They're all blue.
Drake,
They're nice. Those are
like I
hot.
said, these are
When I
heated.
come into football, they're like, if
He's
you,
blindfolded.
look if I was like this.
I thought you said for Christmas you wanted the Sonic figures. What was that about? Now you want Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? What's that about?
But there's too much, so I decided I want more of Ninja Turtles and one Transformer. I look like a Yeti.
Like a ninja. Okay, so here is the end of the vlog. Maui? Oh my gosh. Maui. No, get down. Hi, Maui. Get down. Get down.